Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be installing XAMPP on our desktops and our laptops to convert our desktops into a web server with a motive of creating a website in the future. So let's get started. So open Google, just type XAMPP download, and the first link which you see, it's going to be from Apache Friends. So remember, only download XAMPP from the first link, which is apachefriends.org. Don't use any other link. So I'll be using the first option. Just configure it out, which software, which version is best for your computer, and let's wait for the download. Within 5 seconds your download will automatically start, and it's there. Let's wait for the download to complete, and there we go, it's about to complete. And after it's completed, just double click on the setup, open the setup, and wait for it to launch. So welcome to XAMPP. Ignore the first warning, it's not for us, not necessary. Click on next, and over here you can see what all features XAMPP is offering. There's mysql to create database, php admin for security and login, and many more things. They also have Perl included. So basically you have everything which is required to create the website. So next, no need to make any changes over there, and just wait for the installation to complete. So after it's completed, do you want to launch the XAMPP control panel? Yes, we do. After that, a panel will appear where you will be able to launch Apache and MySQL. That's the only two things we need to make our website. Allow access for the SQL thing. Now that's the basic simple installation if you don't incur any errors. But sometime what happens is that SQL doesn't run, just like the error which is shown over here. Error mysql shut down unexpectedly for whatever reasons. So the main issue over there is that your files got corrupted while downloading, and now we have to either remove or replace those corrupted files. So go to my PC, go to load disk C. Over there you'll find a XAMPP folder. Now SQL is the one where we are having our trouble, so go to the mysql folder. Over here, go to data, and these are the files, or one of these files is corrupted, which is not letting XAMPP to launch mysql on your server. So Apache Friends has offered a solution for this. So go back on mysql folder. On top you'll see a backup. So this is basically a backup created by Apache Friends of the mysql server. So all you need to do is make a new folder and copy all of that backup in that new folder. But we are not going to delete the data folder yet, because we need to make some changes in the future. So just rename this data folder into something else. For example, I'll just name it data_old, representing that it's the old data file, and the file is being run somewhere. So my XAMPP is on, so I'll stop Apache and mysql, try again, and yet yeah, it's done. Now create another folder, name it as data. Over here, copy all the files from the backup folder, copy, and go to data, paste everything. Okay, perfect. Now go to the previous data folder, the old one. Now over here, copy the mysql folder, which is already created by XAMPP. This is a database folder by XAMPP. And if you have any other website folders over there, it will appear. If you don't have any, then nothing will appear. And also copy the ibdata1 file. Go back to the new folder that you created and paste both these files over here. Replace this file in the destination, and that's it. We are done. Now if you launch the Apache control panel again and you run SQL, this time it won't be showing an error. So that's fixed for you guys. If it still shows any errors, let me down in the comments. I'll definitely help you out. Now there are n number of fixes to fix this error, but this was the most genuine one. Reason being, the backup is already provided to you by Apache Friends. So if this doesn't work for you, let me down in the comments. I'll definitely help you out. In the next video, we'll be downloading the code from WordPress and we'll be creating a good website. So keep watching. Like, share, subscribe for more, and see you guys in the next video.